Good afternoon, my fellow viewers. I greet you for today. I am here once again introducing a topic called polynomials. So under these polynomials, I shall be looking at what is called division of polynomials. There is a question on the board which has to do with the students are asked to divide 2x raised to the power of 3 minus 3x raised to the power of 2 plus 5x minus 1 by x plus 2. Now, many looking at the question that is on the board. Now, in our polynomials, our x plus 2 is what we call divisor, and our 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 5x minus 1 is what we call dividend. Now, the question remains this: how do we solve the question? Now, before I solve the question, I'm using a particular method, which is the short method to solve. The short method is very rare. Should I use the word very scarce, that most students don't even know about. They prefer using the long method, but here right now I am introducing the short method. Now, how do we use the short method? Very simple. From what we are having in our divisor, x plus 2, we can put it as x plus 2 equal to 0. When we collect the like terms of this, our x automatically becomes minus 2. So that minus 2 is what we are going to write down here. Now, we have to go back to our dividends. Now, the coefficient of x cubed here is 2. We repeat it. The coefficient of x squared here is minus 3. We repeat it. The coefficient of x here is plus 5, which is this. Then our minus 1, we bring it down, which is this. What do we do next? Very simple. Now, the first number we are having in our dividend is what we are going to repeat by bringing it down. Here is the first number, which is 2. What happens to this 2? We multiply this 2 by the minus 2 that is here. That will give us minus 4. Having gotten this and this, you sum up. That will give minus 7. The same way we multiply 2 by minus 2 to get minus 4 is the same way we are going to multiply minus 7 by minus 2 to get plus 14. Now, having done this, the next thing we need to do is to sum up our plus 5 and plus 14. That will give us plus 19. What do we do next again? We multiply plus 19 by minus 2. That will give us minus 38. What do we do next? Then we sum up the two results. That will give us minus 39. Please, my viewers, this final result we've gotten, which is minus 39, is what we call our remainder. We call it remainder. We call it remainder. So when we are dividing something like this in polynomials, we are supposed to get what is called quotient. At the same time, we are supposed to get what is called remainder. How do we get the quotient? Very simple. Now, looking at the question from the beginning of our dividend, the highest power we are having here is 3, x raised to the power of 3. That means from the answer, we are going to have x raised to the power of 2, starting with the number that we are having here. So if the highest power we are having here is 4, coming to our results here, to get the quotient, that means we are starting with x raised to the power of 3. That means the powers are reducing from x raised to the power of 3 to x raised to the power of 2 to x, then to a number. Now, having gotten this from the question that we are having, x raised to the power of 3, that means for us to get the quotient, your quotient can be abbreviated as this. So this will now be 2. This is x raised to the power of 3. That means the next one will now be 2x raised to the power of 2. Now, followed by minus 7. After the x squared, then we have x. Then followed by a number, which is plus 19. So this is our quotient. Our quotient is 2x raised to the power of 2 minus 7x plus 19, while our remainder is minus 39. So that is all. Please, my viewers, kindly go to the notification button, subscribe and like. Subscribe and like. If you love my video, please subscribe and like. And stay focused for my next uploading. Thank you so much.